right there is the panel folded up. It's got a little case right here. Just unzip this right here, and that's where your cables are. These here I may never use, but I've got them if I need them. And then this is the dedicated cable to the solar panel. It's got these feet right here that open up, one on each side, to set the panel up. And I believe they've got it designed where it just sets it probably the right angle. So again, how long this will last, I don't know. This is an introductory review of this panel, MHPOWOS, and I believe it's pronounced MHPOWOS. So here's the foot on the other side. So I'll get her open back up, show you what it looks like again opened up. This panel operates at a maximum power of 20 volts, and their 220 watt panel